Everybody has a toolbox, but what happens when your toolbox is tool? Inspired by the multi-tools carried by smart military operators, the Tactool is packed with an entire toolbox worth of tools. To demonstrate, we set up our studio to put it to the test. First, a few jobs you might encounter in the field, like cutting wire fencing, adjusting a rifle scope, crimping a fishing lure, or preparing kindling. And hey, why haul out a big heavy toolbox when you could just use your Tactool? It can tighten any screw or hammer in a nail. And if you make a mistake, it's got you covered there too. Here's something I really love. The Tactool has both flat grip pliers and pipe grip pliers. Plus, check this out. There's a multi-size wrench that adjusts from 6 to 10 millimeter bolts. There's almost no job a Tactool can't tackle. And like all of our products, this one can survive the harshest conditions. Take a beating that would destroy other multi-tools. Let's go. It still takes on the most extreme tasks imaginable. Now that's what I call military tough. Add it all up, and our Tactool packs 16 useful tools you can carry with you anywhere. And it even has a little something for when the work is done. There's just nothing like it on the market today.